Hi everyone, Anthony Morganti here. Well, it's that time of year again where I do a video talking about all the different Black Friday deals being offered by my affiliates. Now, I want to stress these are my affiliates. In the description below this video, I'll have links to these deals, and where applicable, I'll have promo codes as well. If you purchase any of these products using those links and or promo codes, I will make a commission on the sale. Also, in the description below this video, I'll have a link to my Code of Ethics statement. All right, let's get started. The first Black Friday deal also happens to be my Black Friday deal. As many of you know, I sell Lightroom presets, 501 ISO adaptive Lightroom presets. They normally sell for $29. From now through Cyber Monday, I'm selling these for $24. And in the description below this video, I'll have a coupon code there, a promo code. You'll get $5 off. Let's move on to OnOne Photo Raw. With OnOne Photo Raw, you could save 25% through this Black Friday special. You can see they have different packages available here. I'll have a link to this deal, again, in the description below my video. Luminar, Skylum, they're having up to 85% off. You can see if you buy the Pro package, which normally is $683 for all this stuff here, you could get it for $99. So you could go through. Again, I'll have that linked in the description below this video. Also, I have promo codes, personal promo codes for OnOne and Luminar. I doubt they're going to work, but I'll have them listed in the description below this video as well, and you can give them a try and see if they do in fact work and save you a few more dollars. DxO, they have up to 50% off Photolab 6. They have this, you can see at the bottom, there's a clock for another 6 days, 2 hours. You could take advantage of this deal. Next to that, I have the Nick collection. Of course, DxO owns the Nick collection, and that's the same thing, up to 50% off, and that's the same time frame there as well. Again, I'll have that all linked in the description below this video. Adobe, they have 25% off some of their packages, basically 25% off their full package that is normally in the US $54.99 a month. That's where you get every app they have. You could get that for 12 months for $39.99 a month. So that actually is a considerable savings over a full year. It's only good the first year, though. The second year, they start charging you whatever the current price is. If you have a small business and you have a MasterCard small business plan, you could save with this offer here. And if you're interested in Adobe stock images, you get a free month there, 10 free stock images. So that is the limit of their Black Friday offerings. Next, we have Selfie. Selfie is now this here, they have a timer here. I don't think this is applicable because I'm pretty sure this deal is going through Cyber Monday, so I'm not sure what this is all about. But if you sell presets like I do, or if you sell any downloadable product, could be an ebook, could be, like I said, presets. It could be anything that someone would buy and download to their computer. Selfie would take care of all that transaction for you, and they'd also host the product and serve the product. Meaning, if you want to sell Lightroom presets like I do, you'd upload them to Selfie, set up your account on Selfie. People would buy the product through Selfie and then download it directly from Selfie, and Selfie handles all that email. It's all automated. You don't have to do anything. So you just basically look at your bank account grow. So Selfie's having this Black Friday deal. I'll have that again listed in the description below this video. Now, those of you who know, a couple weeks ago, I did a video on Radiant Photo, and I wasn't, and wasn't at the time, an affiliate for Radiant Photo, but I was thinking of becoming an affiliate. Well, I did become an affiliate, and they have a Black Friday deal as well. You could see, save $143 today. So you can see they have different packages and things, and their software is a bit expensive, in my opinion. And if you do like it, though, you should take advantage of this deal. Again, I'll have that linked in the description below this video. I can't remember if they gave me a promo code, because this is the first time I'm promoting it. But I'll go through my email, see if I have a promo code. And if I do, I'll include that in the description below this video. I'm not sure it's going to work, though, but give it a try. Clean My Mac. That's the only video I do on something that's really not photography related. It's computer related. But they do have a Black Friday deal, and I'll have a link to their website, and you'll see it won't look like you're getting any type of deal. It doesn't say Black Friday anywhere. But if you click on Buy Now, once it opens, and it's kind of slow today. I think a lot of people are probably taking advantage of the Black Friday deal. You can see here that you get it for one Mac. It's normally $39.95 in the US. It's $24.47. This is the Black Friday deal here. So I'll have that linked in the description below this video, and that sale's going on now. Now, everything I talked about, the sale is currently going on, and most of them are going on through Cyber Monday. And that Selfie one was a little odd, but they're currently going on. The next two I'm going to talk about, the sale hasn't started yet. The first one is Accudrone. The sale starts Wednesday the 23rd. So as of me making this video, that's tomorrow. And with it, you'll get a 30% off any of their Sky packages. And I'll have that, again, linked in the description of this video. And also, within the last couple of weeks, they've come out with a lot of different Sky packages. And they've kind of improved the existing Sky packages. And I'll have actually a video I'll do in the next week going over the new stuff they have. But in the meantime, you could take advantage of this starting tomorrow, Wednesday the 23rd, and the sale will go on through Cyber Monday, and it's 30% off. The next one is SmugMug. This sale doesn't start till Friday the 25th. So actually Cyber Monday. So actually Black Friday. So this sale starts Black Friday. I'm not sure how long it's going to go. I think actually it's just for Black Friday. This is 40% off a new account. So if you're thinking of setting up a SmugMug account, now is the time to do it, or Friday would be the time to do it. You get 40% off the entire account. So that's awesome, but gotta wait till Friday. And finally, of course, I'm an Amazon affiliate. Amazon has Black Friday deals. Go to their homepage. I'll have a link to it. That's my affiliate link if you want to support what I try to do here. And you can see right here, early Black Friday deals. And I'm sure on Black Friday, it won't say early anymore. It will say Black Friday deals. And you can see right here also, grab your early Black Friday deals. So you just look for it on the page and you'll see a link to it there. So that's all the deals from my affiliates for Black Friday. And I just want to say again that in the description below this video, I'll have links to all these deals, and where applicable, I'll have promo codes. And if you do purchase anything using those links and or promo codes, I will make a commission on the sale. So I want full disclosure on that. And I thank everyone who does do that, because that really does fund what I do, making these free videos on YouTube, because I don't make as much on YouTube as some of these other channels that do gear reviews and stuff like that. Those guys make very good money on those types of videos, but I'm horrible at gear reviews, so I just don't do them. I just do software basically, and it's not as popular. But I do appreciate everyone who supports me by taking advantage of anything affiliate related that I promote. Thank you. Thank you very much. Talk to you guys soon.